Man, what a great... Whoop. Yeah! Welcome to the channel. I am SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle that is on your screen right now. Directly below that is my website, sbmitch.com. That's where you can find all of the shoes that I pull out of beater boxes and some other stuff for sale right now. Yes! Hi, pals! Oh, I am super amped on this video. First, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, Bones. Like your skeleton, not the hit TV show with Emily Deschanel. Thanks, Bones, for keeping me upright. Any hoozle woozle, oh my gosh. The minute that I saw pictures, like mock-ups of this shoe, I knew I was gonna be like super duper stoked. The first Nike SB tip of the cap to the Air Max that we saw was a couple months ago. Wait, no, last month with the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the infrared colorway that took hints of the Air Max 90 infrared OG colorway. And they decided to release these puppies. Hi. Fella. This is the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro ISO in the Safari colorway. This, as you can tell, pulls from the colorway of the 2002 release, not the 2016? The 2002 release of the Atmos collaboration with Nike on an Air Max 1 in the Safari print colorway. We're only in April right now, but this shoe is already probably going to be in my top 3 shoes of the year. I am just absolutely in love with this shoe. When we're doing these closer look videos, keep in mind this is not a review. This is just my chance to show you aspects of the shoe that you might not catch when you're just looking at pictures. With that being said, let's take a closer look at the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Safari colorway. This shoe is executed so perfectly well that it makes me sick. It makes me want to puke with happiness. A happy puke. There's Safari print, there's canvas on the vamp, suede side panel. You got a nubuck swoosh with the medial green swoosh. Little details, the Safari print, the mini swoosh on the mud guard. Even the midsole matching the 2002 Safari print midsole colorway. This is just such a well done shoe. I've been telling people to grab the secondary laces from the Dusty Peach colorway, and it matches the swoosh. Here, let's take a look here. There's the swoosh, there's the laces. Yeah, I was way off. So people were DMing me asking me, hey, say fella, SB Mitch, green laces, that would be nice. And I said, grab the laces from the Dusty Peach colorway. Nope, don't do that because it is definitely two different colors. I mean, they're kind of similar, but if you're big on matching, they definitely do not match. But retail on this was 100 bucks. I mean, they released like 2 weeks ago. I had to pay resale. I had a hard time getting them, so congratulations to all the Braxtons and Jadens out there. So I had to pay $390 for these. But I want to give a big shout out to Familia, big shout out to Josh, and thank you Index PDX. I definitely had to go up a half size on these. If your true to size is 11, go up to 11 and a half. You will be way more comfortable. You kind of have to do that with most SB Dunk Lows. This one more so than usual, but this shoe is just absolutely gorgeous. Even the little detail on the heel with just a swoosh instead of Nike or anything like that. Man, what a great shoe. Thank you Nike SB for doing this because I am a huge fan of the Air Max 1. It's like they asked me for help with designs and I said, just make an Air Max 1. Y'all know when the Elephant one is coming out at the end of the year? Yeah, I'm gonna be just excited about those, so don't wait up for that. Whoa, that's gonna be an awesome release. I just have no words. Well done Nike SB, hooray, huzzah! I'm wearing my actual other pair right now, as you can see. Just a great shoe. I highly recommend these. And there you have it. The Nike SB Dunk Low Pro ISO in the Safari colorway. Man, what a great... Whoop. Did I break it? Nope. Thanks again to Bones for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring my frame. You can check Bones out in any hospital, probably on like x-ray things, or hanging up in any science room, classroom. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. This is just this shoe. I was so excited about this shoe and I was so excited to get this video out to you. So thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Still more beater boxes to go, whole bunch. Appreciate you taking the time. Have a great rest of your day and we'll see you Friday for Beater Box Friday because that's a thing. So till next time, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. You're supposed to have fun like with the Safari Dunk Low SB. Bye!